So started in Swansea, lived there for 2 years, and then to Wellington for about 5 years. And then 2007 we moved to South Africa, to Durban for 8 years, and then to Ireland for a year, and then back to New Zealand. I mean, I think my favourite part growing up playing rugby in South Africa was the fact that we played without boots. That's the sort of a core memory for me. But in terms of the question, I think each nation that I've come from, that I have a little bit of, are all completely different styles of rugby. Obviously, Box being that physical mindset, the All Blacks being the sort of don't stop running you, and the Wales just being that real hearty, like don't stop kind of mentality. I think if I could have all three potentially in my bag, then that wouldn't be a bad thing.